Hello, friend.
Welcome back to CommentScript. In today's video, we are diving into an essential concept in JavaScript, IIFE, which stands for Immediately Invoked Function Expression. IIFE might sound like a mouthful, but don't worry, it's a powerful technique that can help you write cleaner and more efficient JavaScript code. Let's break it down. IIFE is a design pattern in JavaScript where a function is defined and immediately executed right after its creation. The function is wrapped in parentheses and then immediately followed by an additional set of parentheses. This structure turns the function into an expression, and the double parentheses trigger its immediate execution. Now you might be wondering,
Why bother?
IIFE helps in creating a private scope for your variables, preventing them from polluting the global scope. This is especially crucial in larger projects to avoid naming conflicts. By encapsulating your code within an IIFE, you reduce the risk of unintentionally overwriting global variables. IIFE is a key component of a module pattern, allowing you to create modular and reusable pieces of code. Let's look at a real-world example to illustrate the power of IIFE. In the example, the counter variable is encapsulated within the IIFE, making it inaccessible from the global scope. However, we expose the increment function, allowing external code to interact with our counter in a controlled manner. And there you have it, a quick introduction to IIFE in JavaScript. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.
Coding.